What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another epic video at G's RC Garage. We are back out finally with our first real test with the Slayer. We got the motor from the Revo in there just because I could not wait for my parts to come in. I'm still waiting on my clutch bell, but luckily this thing just drops right in. I did put a 40-tooth plastic spur gear in there, got rid of the metal one because those things just eat up the clutch bells. Kind of learned my lesson on those. I swapped to my Proline Mirage tires off from my other Slash two-wheel drive right now because that one's also waiting on some parts. So I figured why not get this thing out there, do some testing. They came and cut all the trees out here, so track is still here, but it could use a little bit of work. So I think I'm just gonna first start off with just a quick little time-lapse rake, get the track looking good, and then we'll get the truck out, go play. Get this thing fired up, get a little warm up, get some laps in. Heck yeah. Alright guys, just got a couple laps in, just get it warmed up a little bit. We are running right around 200. Let's get a couple final laps in, see how it's running. Definitely drives way different than the Revo. That was a weird spin out. Ooh, it jumps good though. Real smooth through the air. I did order the closed, whatever the short ratio gearing for the transmission. So I read that thing. A lot better. Most of the time you're not trying to go 50, so on this track having be able to shift would be nice. Oh, big roll over. Nice. Oh yeah. That's good. Maybe ripping out just a little bit. Into that loose stuff. Crap, pushing back in the truck here. You're doing too fast. What kind of speed this thing's got? Oh, it's not coming. Check out all my wood pieces over here. The 2-speed pass. Ooh, ripping. I had to let off too. Yeah, this thing's way too fast. Jesus. Ridiculous. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Get a little cool down. Just got a nice little cool down. Back down to 180. Got the ramps turned around the other direction. Let's get a few more laps in. Oh. Back to life. Oh, straight to the tree. Or reverse on the race trucks. Pretty sure it's pretty good. Not bad for stock zero. Turn my gain up just a hair on this steering gain. Ooh, swing jump. Oh, big burn roost. Oh no. Oh, we got for that stump. Ooh, that wasn't good. I was like the truck at the off-road expo. Ramp moved on me. Nothing like a healthy down in 33 though. Loosen some burns. No matter what car it is, gotta love some nitro action. Hell yeah, guys. Hope you like this running video of the Slayer. She's a ripper, running real solid. Can't wait to actually do some real fine tuning. We got some suspension mods to come, custom body, a few other little things here and there. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see some more Nitro content. Till the next one, see you guys later. Nitro gang, peace out.